Number 5, your individual day. There are times in everyone's life when a certain day means something extremely important. It may be a business appointment, applying for a position, asking for a pay increase, or proposing marriage. Naturally, you want everything to go just right, and therefore you can't help but worry. What should you say? What is the best way to state your case? What attitude should you assume? Trying questions, indeed, when something can either make or break your future. By determining what vibrations that particular day will have and what powers will be yours, you can quite easily plot your strategy and relax, knowing that you have everything well in hand. Of course, if you also check to see what the individual day of the person is as well, you will know what their mood is and to what they will react favorably and what not to say or do. If good vibrations are just not with you, it will be best to postpone the meeting and schedule it for a more likely day so that nothing can be used against you. To determine the number value of your individual day, compute the following, keeping in mind that the numbers in numerology only go up to 9 and then repeat, so January becomes 1 and so on up to September. Then October begins at 1 again, and etc. So you want to do the number value of your birth month plus the number value of the day you were born plus the current year plus the number value of the current month and the number value of the current day. If you want to project this computing to a day sometime in the future, you merely insert the number value of the month and day of the occasion in question. Let us say you wish to find the vibration for September 8th, 1997. You would compute thusly: the number value of the year, month, and day would be 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7, which equals 43. 4 plus 3 equals 7, which is then added to the number value of your birth month and day to get the vibrations for your individual day. Remember that when computing the vibration of an individual day, that vibration holds only for that day. You must recompute the vibration whenever the date changes.